Hi guys, how to download Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Now, first, open your web browser and go to the official website of Steam, link in description. Download and install the Steam launcher on your computer. Here is a critical warning. Always check for store.steampowered.com in the URL to avoid fake download sites. After installing it, open Steam and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create a new one. Here's a pro tip. Use a strong password and enable Steam Guard for extra security. Now click on the search bar at the top of Steam and type Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. From the search results, click on the game. Make sure you are selecting the correct version as there are multiple editions. Next, scroll down, click the Add to Cart button, and complete the purchase process. Keep an eye on your email for the receipt confirmation. After purchasing the game, go to your library section. Find Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 in your library and click the Install button. Choose the installation location and start the download. Make sure you have enough free space, as the game can take up a significant amount of storage. Once the download is finished, click Play to start the game on your PC.